Assalamualaikum my dear student. In our last video we have completed introductory part of this chapter and question 1 of 6.1. Now today let's begin with some properties regarding this chapter as well as exercise based on that properties. So here is the first property, that is a number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. Means in any number, if the digit at ones place or digit at units place is 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it can never be a perfect square. Perfect square and square both are similar. How to use this property we will see in the exercise. The next property is a number ending in an odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. Means if there is a number ending with number of zeros, so if number of zeros are odd, let's say the square of 10 is 100 and how many zeros there in 100? 2 zeros are there और 2 क्या है? इवन नंबर है, यानी 100 में इवन टाइम ज़ीरो आ रहा है. अगर इवन टाइम ज़ीरो आ रहा है मतलब वो आपका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर या स्क्वायर है. बट ये जो नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़ है वो ऑड टाइम आ रहे हैं. लेट्स से 3, 7, 5, 9 ऐसे टाइम्स ज़ीरो आ रहे हैं तो वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. देन नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, द स्क्वायर ऑफ एन इवन नंबर इज़ इवन. मीन्स 2 इज़ योर इवन नंबर, तो 2 का स्क्वायर भी आपका क्या होगा? इवन नंबर ही होगा. 2 2s are 4. लेट्स से 12. So 12 is your even number. 12 12s are 144. 144 is also even number. The square of an odd number is odd. Means 3. 3 is your odd number. तो उसका स्क्वायर भी आपको क्या मिलेगा? Odd. Remember these properties because we are going to use these properties while solving the examples. Then this property we will see later on. Let's begin with this one. The numbers which can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. This is nothing but the perfect definition of square or perfect square. So what's the definition? It is the product of the number with itself. यानी number अपने साथ ही multiply होगा. You are going to multiply two same numbers. 2 2s are 3 3s are 25 25s are. So that numbers are known as perfect squares. Then next property, sum of, what do you mean by sum? Sum is the answer of addition. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now what is n here? The n is nothing but number of odd natural numbers. यानी आप कितने natural numbers add कर रहे हो? 2 3 7 9, that is n. Don't worry, while we'll solve the question will get clear to you. Then this one, this 2 we'll see later. Move with the fifth one. There are 2n non-perfect squares between the square of number n and n plus 1. What is n and n plus 1? Suppose हमने यहाँ 2 लिया तो n plus 1 क्या होगा? 2 plus 1 3. तो 2 का स्क्वायर और 3 का स्क्वायर दोनों के बीच में अगर मुझे नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं तो वो इसकी हेल्प से हमें मिल जाएंगे. डोंट वरी, विल गेट क्लियर. Let's move with the exercise. Question 2. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Here there is no question mark. उन्होंने यहाँ सेंटेंस दिया है कि ये नंबर्स परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं हैं. Simply you just have to give reason for that. So here you will use the first property. What was that property? Number ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8. Then it is not a perfect square. So here 1057, you can see 7 at unit place. So it is not the perfect square. सिमिलर वे लुक हियर 64,000, 1000 में कितने ज़ीरोज़ है 3, और 3 कैसा नंबर है ऑड, यानी यहाँ ज़ीरोज़ जो है वो ऑड टाइम रिपीट हो रहे हैं, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नॉट द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. इफ़ देर आर 4 zeros then it can be a perfect square. Understood? Next question. Question 3. The square of which of the following would be odd numbers? Means here they have given you some numbers. You have to identify that whose square will going to be odd. So in that we will use that two properties, that's square of odd will be odd, square of even will be even. So just look here, 431. 431 is odd or even? How will you check? You will check the digit at ones place. तो ones पर कौन सा digit है 1, that means 431 is your odd number. That's why 431 का square भी क्या होगा odd number. Similar with second is your even number, तो उसका square भी क्या होगा even number. I hope you get this, that how to use the properties. Let's move with question 4. Question 4 is related to the pattern, so you will try to solve by yourself. Question 5 also. Now let's try to see this question 6. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. So here they have given some pattern. You have to check that how this pattern works, and by following that you are going to fill this some blanks. So let's see and let's try to understand the pattern. So here फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सेकेंड कॉलम, यानी ये जो है इसे हम फॉलो करेंगे कि इसे हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो 1 2 2 2 3 3 4, यानी ये जो सेकेंड कॉलम है वो हमें कैसे मिल रही है, ये जो फर्स्ट कॉलम का नंबर है उसमें 1 ऐड करने से 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 4, 4 + 1 5. तो यहाँ क्या मिलेगा हमें 5 + 1 6. सो हियर वी विल गेट 6. देन सिमिलर वे लेट्स ट्राई टू फॉलो द थर्ड वन, यानी थर्ड कॉलम हमें कैसे मिल रही है, ये कॉलम थर्ड कॉलम. सो 1 2 2 2 3 6 3 4 12. कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया? यहाँ कोई भी ऑपरेशन आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीज़न, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो सोचो कौन से ऑपरेशन से आपको ये थर्ड कॉलम मिल रही है. 1 2 ज़ा 2, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 3 4 ज़ा 12. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा 4 5 ज़ा 20, यानी फर्स्ट 2 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमें ये थर्ड मिल रहा है. So here 6 7s are 42 and here 4 5s are 20. I hope you get all the 3 numbers. ये मिडल नंबर कैसे मिल रहा है हमें, by adding 1 in this one. Then थर्ड नंबर हमें कैसे मिल रहा है, पहले ये दोनों नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने से. तो हमें ये 3 ब्लैंक्स तो मिल गई. Now let's begin with the third last one, कि वो हमें कैसे मिल रहा है. So if you will observe 2 + 1 3, 6 + 1 7, मीन्स ये थर्ड कॉलम में 1 ऐड करने से 12 + 1 13, तो 20 + 1 21. So here 42 + 1 43. I hope you get this. Let's begin with question 7. Without adding, find the sum. Here just observe this, all the numbers. All the numbers are odd numbers. और odd numbers का sum find out करने के लिए हमने already एक property देखी है. What's that property? That property is n square, sum of odd numbers. So here 1 3 5 7 9. Here what is the n? N is representing the number of odd numbers, means how many numbers you are going to add. So here how many numbers we are going to add? 5 numbers, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here your n will be 5 और उसका square, so 5 5s are 25. Similar way here how many numbers we are adding? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So here your n will become 10 and 10 square is 100. In this way we are going to solve. But before that, simply you will write this one statement that we know that sum of n odd numbers is n square. You are not going to add them, simply you have to put the number of odd number and you have to do square. Question 8. What is the question 8? Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. यानी ये जो 49 है उसको सम ऑफ 7 ऑड नंबर्स के फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. व्हाट आर द ऑड नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1? 1 3 5 7 11 13. दिस आर द ऑड नंबर. तो ये ऑड नंबर्स आपको सीरीज़ में लेकर चलना है और देखना है कि कहाँ तक जाओगे तो आपको 49 मिलेगा. अगर यहाँ वो हमें 7 नहीं देंगे तो भी हमें पता चल जाएगा कि इतने ही नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं, बिकॉज वी नो द आंसर. आवर आंसर शुड बी 49. सो वी विल ऐड देम अप टू 49 ओनली. सो 1 3 5 7 9 11 and 13. Similar way for 121. Let's see question 9. How many numbers, यानी कितने numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? Here they have given you some numbers. You have to check that how many numbers lie between them. Suppose if I give you 14 and 17, तो 14 और 17 के बीच में कितने numbers आएंगे? 15 and 16. So similar way you have to do this one, but you have to check for their squares. So 12 and 13, we have seen property. Here 12 is your n and 13 is your n plus 1. यानी 12 में 1 ऐड करोगे तो 13 मिलेगा. Here you have to take or you have to apply for consecutive numbers only. Consecutive means one after another, like 5 6 7 9 8 9 10, one after another. So 12 and 13, 25 and 26, 99 and 100. If you will observe then each and every number is after one another. So you have to apply this property to n. To n. तो यहाँ n आपका क्या है? 12. So 2 12s are 24. n plus 1 नहीं लेना है. यहाँ हमारा n जो है वो 12 है और n plus 1 यानी 12 plus 1 13. So this 13 is your n plus 1. I hope you understood this. Now in next session we will continue with the another property and exercise.